Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Way.
Have you ever felt confused about would, should, and could?
Don't worry. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to use would, should, and could the easy way. So, let's begin.
First, let's understand one simple thing. Would, should, and could are called modal verbs.
Modal verbs are helping verbs that show things like possibility, advice, ability, requests, and polite expressions.
Some common modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Today we will focus on would, should, and could.
Let's start with could. We use could to talk about ability in the past. Example: When I was young, I could run very fast. She could speak 3 languages when she was a child.
So remember, we use could when we talk about something a person was able to do in the past.
Another use of could is to make a polite request. Example: Could you help me? Could you open the door? It sounds more polite than can, so it is very common in conversations.
We also use could to talk about possibility. Example: It could rain today. This plan could work. So could can show past ability, polite requests, and possibility. Now let's talk about should.
We mostly use should to give advice. For example, you should drink more water. Students should study regularly.
Should is also used to recommend something.
For example, you should watch this movie.
You should visit this place.
Sometimes should shows expectation. For example, the train should arrive soon.
She should be here by now.
Now let's understand would. Would is often used in polite conversations. For example, would you like some coffee?
Would you help me with this?
We also use would for imaginary or unreal situations. For example, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. If I were you, I would take that job.
Would can also describe past habits. For example, when we were kids, we would play outside every evening.
Let's quickly compare them. Could is used for ability, possibility, and polite requests. Should is used for advice or recommendation. Would is used for polite requests or imaginary situations.
Now you know how to use would, should, and could in English.
Try using them in your daily conversations.
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning English.
See you in the next lesson.